Hello, I'm Darlene, your local Leggett agent here in Provence. Today we are in Alpes-de-Haute-Provence, a department known for its mile-long lavender fields, beautiful views and 300 days of sunshine every year. Today I have the pleasure to show you a spacious modern property in the outskirts of the historic town of Sisteron with its famous citadel. The house sits in 1,300 square meters of fully enclosed garden. The property is south-facing and enjoys all-day sunshine and offers wonderful views of the mountains and the historic center. The main living areas include a large living room with a wood burner and with double sliding doors that lead into a spacious veranda. Facing the living room is a large and modern kitchen dining room with a breakfast bar and a door leading into a sunny terrace. From the entrance hall, a short corridor takes you to 2 bedrooms. One is the master suite with its own ensuite bathroom. There is a small office area with a second bathroom. The adjoining garage leads to a spacious wine cellar, and there is also a second garage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about this property, click on the link below or contact Leggett. Have a wonderful day. Bye!